Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. So if this is something you would like to be a part of, come back and hang with me. Be right back. It's unboxing day. I got a package finally from Baddies and Budgets. I've been waiting to order something and I got a chance to order it on her sale. So I got me a box. Let's see what I got. She gave me some free stuff and I thank her. She gave me some budget sheets and a high-end monthly calendar savings. I got a low budget monthly calendar challenge. I got a the tabbed wallet. Her little thank you card. Thank you, Baddies and Budgets. And then I got 2 binders. I got the month ahead binder. And then I also have the new car funds binder. So those are the binders that I got from Baddies and Budgets. On today, this thing is pretty to me. I like it. I really like how it looks. So today I'm going to be setting up my month ahead binder, and then I'm going to be doing my 100 envelope challenge. So stick with me. I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. So I'm gonna set up my month ahead binder, and it comes with the envelopes and then the expense tracker with my monthly costs, and then I'll mark these at the bottom when I get a month ahead and when I get 2 months ahead. So let me start putting that together. Alright, let's write out our expense tracker. Expenses are whatever your expenses are. Mine are minimal, but it's a start. So I got rent, lights, I have internet, I have my cell phone, okay, I have Blink Security, which is my security camera, security, and then my subscriptions. Those are all of my, let it dry a little bit. Those are all of my expenses. So to get a month ahead, rent is $800. Lights, I'm a budget $300 to cover summer months. Internet, $150. Cell phone is $110. Blink Security is $11. And my subscriptions is $60. So my total for everything is 1431, 1,400. Sorry, $1,431 is what my monthly expenses should be. Or this is what I'm using for the month ahead budget. So on the back, we have, whenever I add anything, we put the date, the amount I added, and the balance. So each one of these is marked, and then I put the amounts here. So it's $1,400, $1,431 when I get here, and then I'm starting off at 0. So I'll fill these in as I go. But today, once I get my individual envelopes ready, I'm going to be adding $25. So I'll be right back. All right, so I have completed everything, and I got my first amount that I'm putting in, which is $25, and then I'll have $1,406 left after I put the $25 in. So it's a start. So now I'm going to set up the actual binder, and it's so nicely put together. I love it, love it, love it. Everything is put together so nicely, and it's so nice and pretty. So I have my envelopes. I'll pull those out, and then we're going to get to setting it up. All right, so we're going to write this is our month ahead sheets. So the first one I'm writing is for rent. Okay. And 1 month total for rent would be $800. And each one of these tallies is $115. So this is lights. And this is $300. Internet. This one is $150. Cell phone. This is $110. Okay, this is security, and that is $11. And then subscriptions. That's going to be $60. $10 to the side. And then we have to calculate how much goes in each square. So if I have $800, I'm gonna divide it by 115 equals $6.95, which is $7. Gonna round it up to $7. So each square is gonna be $7. And then 300 divided by 115 is $2.60. So we're gonna round it up to $3. All right, so we rolled out everything. Now it's time to put it in the envelopes. All right. Before I start stuffing, I'm gonna count my money. So I'm doing a total stuffing today. I'm doing $25 on the month ahead challenge, and then I am doing, let's see, $36. So I'm doing $36 on my 100 envelope challenge, and I'll be getting to that really soon. So total is $61. So 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So 61 is the total. And we will be stuffing in just a second. So 25 is what will be going in my month ahead. So I'll go through that really quickly. So I got 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 2, and then 11. 2 5s and a 1. So everything else will be going to my 100 envelope challenge. All right, so I am back. So this is the month ahead folder. So I'll be doing rent, which is $7. So I'll need a 5, 6, 7. And then I'll slide it in. So, and for lights, it'll be $3. Okay. For internet, it's $2. Cell phone, it'll be $1. Security, it'll be $11. Like I said, it'll be finalized. That would be all I need to do for security. Security. And my wonderful counting is off. but that's okay. And then for my subscriptions, it'll be $1. So what I'm gonna do is go back to security, and I'm going to cross out the first one, cross out the last one, and that is complete. So that will be it for my months ahead binder. I will be back for my 100 envelope stuffing.
And action.
Okay, so I am going to do my 100 envelope challenge. Today I'm doing 3, 6, 7, and 20. I kind of made my own 100 envelope challenge. Once I get into this one, I'm gonna definitely be getting baddies and budgets one. So it is 3. That was so ugly. 6, 7. I know I'm not really staying in the lines. 6, 7, and then 20. I kind of already had started. Well, I started January 7th. Had some things going on, so I hadn't had a chance to get to my 100 envelope challenge. But I'm hopping back on, focusing on my savings. So I've done my coloring, and now it's time for the stuffing. Right, so I have my envelopes. So it's $3. Yeah, I got envelopes and kind of just made it myself. $6. So that'd be 5, 6. It's like had to start somewhere. Okay, 7, 5, 6, 7. And 20. So 20 is my first big number besides 15 last time. So next time I'll be doing a bigger number is what I'm trying to do. So I have my 100 envelope container, and then I'll be putting it in. So I have one set. I've been working on it, and I have some. So that would be my 100 envelope challenge. Thank you so much for hanging with me as I do my challenges. This is my month ahead, and this is my money envelope that I love so much. So thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day. Bye. Later. Follow me on all social media at BeautifullyMe80, YouTube, IG, and TikTok. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. I love it when you like and subscribe. Later.